I had a couple of questions about this wonderful plant right here. This is a lemon balm. Yes, indeed. I do have a lot of this, which is why I'm probably getting the questions about it. And what do I use it for? That's the question. I primarily use it in tea, and I use it in some sauces when I'm cooking. Fresh or dried, it makes a wonderful herbal tea. You just steep it in water. In sauces, you can incorporate it. You can also make vinaigrettes with it. You can make salad dressings with it. You can chop it up as a herb and just add it to your salads. It gives it a good citrus taste. You can even add this to desserts if you make sorbets. You can add it to fruit salads. You can also put it in baked goods. I think a lot of people use it to make things like herbal butter, and some people infuse it into vinegars. They infuse it into oils. It's very versatile. But thanks for the question, Carol, the Girl Manager. See you in the next video.